your Globe Smart Switch box, you will find the smart switch, mounting screws and wire nuts, and your instruction sheet. To get started, download the Globe Suite app. Go to the App Store or Google Play and search for Globe Suite. Download the app, open it, and follow the on-screen instructions to log in or register. If prompted, allow Globe Suite to send notifications to your smartphone or tablet. To install your smart device, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. From the electrical panel, turn off the power and consult a qualified electrician as needed. Remove the existing wall plate and screws and inspect the existing wiring. Confirm that a line, load, and neutral wire are available. Disconnect the wiring from the old switch and remove the device. Next, remove the included wall plate from the switch and remove the protective label. Note that the switch's wires are colored correctly and each wire's name is indicated on the back of the switch. Connect the red traveler wire from the switch to the load wire coming from your light fixture. Secure with the included wire nuts. Then, connect the black line wire from the switch to the line wire coming from the breaker box and secure with the wire nut. Finally, connect the neutral white wire from the switch and all the neutral wires in your junction box together. For single-pole installations, cap the secondary red wire. For three-way installations, connect the second red traveler wire from the switch to the traveler wire coming from the other switch. To mount the switch, tuck the wires into the junction box and push the switch into place. Fasten using the included screws. Then, secure the wall plate. Push until it snaps into place. Once installed, turn the power back on from the electrical panel. Wait a few moments for the switch to react. The switch's indicator light should start blinking automatically. If it does not, you can manually put it into pairing mode. Hold down the switch button for 10 seconds until you hear a click. Once the indicator light starts blinking rapidly, this means your smart switch is in pairing mode and is ready to connect. To connect to your smart device, ensure you are connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and that your Bluetooth is turned on. In the Globe Suite app, choose Add Device or tap the plus sign in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Tap Add Device. Device discovery launches automatically on the pairing screen. Once your smart product appears, tap Add. On the next screen, tap the plus button on the device card. If prompted, enter your Wi-Fi name and password. Tap Next. Wait a few moments for the device to connect. When the green check mark appears next to your device, this means your device has been successfully added. Tap Done. You can now control your smart device directly from the Globe Suite app. On the Globe Suite home screen, select the Smart Switch to access its controls. You can manually control your smart switch from the Control tab. Tap the switch in the middle of the screen to turn on the device. Tap again to turn it off. You can also turn your smart switch on and off manually with the physical switch. To explore automatic routines, choose Routines at the bottom of your screen. Choose from a variety of customizable preset routines, which were designed for easy, everyday household needs. Or tap Create a custom schedule to create routines that fit your specific needs. Customize the days of the week you want the schedule to apply to. Select the time and set the device to turn on or off. Once complete, name your new schedule and tap Save. Tap Save. Your new schedule will display on the Routines panel. To disable the new schedule, use the slider at the end of the schedule's card. To set a countdown for your smart switch to turn on or off, use the timer at the top of the Routines panel. Set the duration, then tap Start. When the time runs out, your smart switch will turn on or off depending on the state it was in when you started the timer. Tap the Control tab at the bottom of the screen to return to the device's main screen. In the top right-hand corner, tap the gear icon to access the device settings. Customize the power on behavior to set the state of the device when it is reconnected to a power source after an unexpected power outage. You can have it automatically turn on, stay off, or restore its last status. Tap the back button to return to the device settings. To customize how the device's power indicator light behaves, select Indicator Light. Choose Standard to have it on when power is on, or Reversed to see it on when power is off. You can also set it to always be off regardless of the device's activity. Tap the back button to return to the device settings. At any time, select History to access all the switch's control activity. Tap the back button to return to the device settings. Tap Control Mode to view the switch's main functionality setting. Your current mode will be highlighted. To change the control mode, simply tap on your desired option. Tap the back button twice to return to the device's main screen. As a smart controller, you can control specific smart devices or existing smart scenes using the device's single and double-click options. Tap the arrow next to Smart Scenes Assigned to configure the controls. Tap the Add New Smart Scene button next to single click to assign its first action. In the Smart Scenes pop-up, tap the plus sign in the Then portion. Add your desired action. In this example, we want the single click to turn the living room light on and off. Tap Control Single Device, tap your desired device, select Power, tap Reverse Switch, and save. Tap Next. With your smart scene complete, tap Save, name your new scene, and tap Confirm. Your smart scene will now appear below single click as an assigned action. If you want to add additional actions to your single click, repeat the last steps. The actions will continue to display on this main screen. Tap the Add New Smart Scene button next to double click to assign its first action. You can proceed with the same steps as before to create another smart scene from scratch, or you can choose to connect one of your pre-existing smart scenes to the device. Tap the plus sign in the Then portion. In this example, we want to assign an existing smart scene. Choose Execute Smart Scenes. Select Trigger Scene. Select the existing scene you wish to connect. Tap Next. Once complete, tap Save. Name your new scene and tap Confirm. Your smart scene will now appear below double click as an assigned action. Tap the back button to return to the device's main screen. With your smart controls now set up, you can trigger the actions using the execute buttons at the bottom of the device's screen, or by pressing on the physical device. Connect your smart switch with a voice assistant and control your device even when you don't have your phone or tablet. Hey Google, Amazon Alexa, and SmartThings can be connected directly through your Globe Suite profile, while Siri commands are created within Smart Scenes. To pair your device, go to your profile. Then select the voice assistant you would like to link your device to and connect your account to the Globe Suite app. Discover all these features and more with Globe Suite and explore the rest of the Smart Home collection. Globe, Smart Home made easy.